This is the elevator at the Fillmore garage in Cherry Creek. It's a former Dover. Used to be a Dover Impulse. As you can hear, it's got the original door equipment, but it has received an Epco mod. Yeah.
There's really a Schindler door over here too.
I think this is a Schindler mod. I forgot this had these chimes. Dude. Oh wow, look, it's got these lanterns, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
Oval Inchline Plus. Let's watch them. Here's your call button. I guess it's just lit up.
I mean, maybe it'll work.
That's the Dover chime too.
Yeah. I was gonna say, is that a TK Dover chime?
And honestly, I think this is a pretty nice mod. I'm gonna go to 2 to see what the intermediate lanterns look like.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious if they'll have this.
Huh, restaurant ideas. Oh, for if you're looking for somewhere to eat.
Nah, these are
Is the
actually
Cherry Cricket
restaurants
on
that
there?
they're, it is. These are restaurants that they're looking at building. They're just seeing
There
what
it is.
people think.
This is not sponsored by the Cherry Cricket, but I would not advise against going there because it's pretty good.
Bunch of other ladies.
Yeah, right? Long story short, place is good. I want to see the up chime. It just stays lit. Ha!
That's weird. And then it'll also light like brighter when you hit it again though.
That's funny.
Like if you push down. Well, after it closes.
Yeah. This is strange. Look at like the mix of the lights. Wait, yeah, let's see. What the hell?
That's weird.
Funny. I think it needs something in the middle to like separate the light.
Yeah, that's true.
Capacity is 3,000 pounds.
Well, there's separate LEDs for green and red. So that's weird.
The low and the high. Oh yeah, Dover blue. I wonder what year
There's
this is
still
from.
an interlock.
Oh
there.
look, it's still got the original. That's the Dover interlock up there. Think you could shine your light, Nathan?
Give me a second.
Look at that. That's the Dover door equipment up there. See it?
Yeah.
Anyway, this might be a 70s Dover. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it.